Hello everyone, good day. This video will show you how to calculate the quotation and the material list in an intelligent way. First, we click the product module. Then we click the product manager. This page is for the material such as profile, glass, and hardware. We can click add. Then we can add a profile code or some other material code and the cost, price, and choose the material type, profile, hardware, or glass, or some other things. And after choose, then we confirm. Then we can, according to our table or our file, to add the relative code and details one by one. Here, here. Okay, after we add all the material list, then we go back. First, choose a folder which you want to add the series. Here we add to the Maxis Aluminium folder, and then we click the Add Series. Input the series name. And click Confirm. And then double click the new item. And now we are in the Series Editor workplace. And click Import Window. Here. Choose a window which we want to test. And here we choose CM9. Click Confirm. And click the Drawing Settings. Then we can input the frame size, molding size, set size, and different device and other items. And here we choose the corner connect function. Angle means 45 connection, and horizon and vertical means 90 degree. And the draw type, we choose standard or bridge. Steel, plastic means uPVC profile, and here we choose bridge or standard. And confirm. Scroll down, and from here they have several menu: bar, sash, double sash, sliding sash, forward sash, code, and cost. And for this window, casement window, we mainly use the bar and sash, quotation, and cost. Okay, first we click bar, and then we can add the frame profile. You can see here have a profile, glass, add, and also calculation result. First we add profile frame. We click here, add, and then we input code. And this code is just now we input from our product manager page. And here we input outer frame. For the frame type, we choose 9 to 9 or do not check it. Here we choose 9 to 9. And the length, a cc equal to the dimension size which you draw there. And here we use cc and do not minus or plus any numbers. And type we choose frame. And cutting angle we choose 45 to 45. And meter weight according to our profile. And then we click confirm. Now we click here and then we will see our frame. We will see the frame we just added. And the next step, we click the mulling. We add the mulling profile. Scroll down, and from here we clone, and then we change the mulling code. Mulling code here is number 3, and then we change the name mulling. And the position here, the position is from frame to frame. We can see from the drawing it is from up frame to the down frame. So here we choose frame to frame. And the length we should minus some numbers, and the numbers equal the outside frame small surface height. And here we, for example, 40 and minus 240. And we also need to plus the end milling size. For example, the end milling we milling 5 mm, so here we add 5 and each side 5, so 2 5. Okay, and the type we change to mulling, and the angle we change to 90 to 90. Okay, and confirm. And now we will see the mulling here. And next for the glass. Because this is a casement window and do not have any fixed frame, so also do not have glass on the fixed frame, so do not add glass here. And the glass should add on the sash. And for the hardware, we should, according to the hardware usage, find the hardware used on the frame or on the sash. And here, for example, we can add some internal angle to fix the frame to make it more strong. So we click add and then input the code. And each corner we put 1, so it needed to input 8 pieces. And then click confirm. And for some other items, for the hardware used on the frame, such as the screw, so we can add some screw here. We click this and click clone, and then they will change the code number. And change the pieces. Each side we put 2 to fix on the wall or on the steel tube. so it totally needs 8 pieces. So we click confirm. Okay, now it will show here. Now we click the test to test the result. We will see the calculation result. For the molding, it needs 1 piece, and for the frame, outer frame, 4 pieces, and the hardware here 8. Okay, next step, we calculation the sash. We click the sash menu here, and the first one is size. We calculate the complete sash size first, and we see the first sash here, the second sash here, and this size, the height, the sash height should the total height to minus the frame height, to frame height, and for the width, it should be to minus 1 frame, and minus the molding width, half of the molding width. Here is the middle, and minus this part, and the second part is seam. Okay, so we click add, and type, we choose the sash, and the position type, we calculate the height first, so it from frame to frame. We check this one, and the length should be the window height minus the frame, outer frame, small surface height 40, and 240, and it should add some connection part. When the sash frame and the outer frame touched, it have some connection part. We take 7 mm as the connection part, so we should add 27, and click confirm. We will see here, and we add another one. We click it and clone, and the position for the width, it should be frame to molding, so we check this frame to molding and remove this one, and then we, and for the length, it should minus 1 outer frame small piece width, and minus the molding, half the molding small pieces, it should be 20, and also need to add the connection part 7 and 7. So we click confirm. Please note the size we input here is just for example, and you should according to your profile size to do relative change. Frame to molding, frame to frame. Okay, so the whole size of the sash we calculated, and now next we should calculate the profile. So we click add and input the code. Input name, open out, and the type is slash, and the length it should be cc, and cutting angle is 45 to 45 degree, and the meter weight per meter kg we do not input here. You can input according to your profile, and we click confirm. Click here. Now you will see the sash. The height and the width should be equal the profile size. So this one is okay. And next we should add the glazing bead, and click here, input code, sash glazing bead. Type we should change to sash bead, and the length should minus the sash small surface height. Here we take example and choose the cut angle, then click confirm, and we click the test to see the test result. From here, open out sash. We should check if it is right according to our real situation. Okay, next we add the glass. Click add, input the name, specifications. Here we input the glass code, and the width and height should be the sash size minus the sash frame small surface, each side minus 54, and also minus the gap, the glass between the frame have some gap. We make it 6 mm. It should according to your real situation. So here we take 6 mm. So here is minus 6, and then we click confirm, and click test. Now we will see the glass result. Two-piece glass A1 and A2. A1, A2, and 8 seam. And next to add the hardware. And first we click add, and then input the hardware code. First we add handle code. Input name, handle. Other specifications you can input according to your requirement. And the quantity here should input 1, because they have 2 sash, so each sash have 1, so it is totally 2. So here input 1, and then we click confirm. We click test, So we will see the handles, 2 handles, so it's right. Next, we add the hinges. We click and click clone and change the code. Change the name. And each sash have 2 hinges, so the quantity, the count, input 2, and click confirm, and click test. You will see here it's a calculation without 4 hinges. Okay, and we click the hinges, click clone, and next we add the friction station. Change the code 3 and friction. Each sash have 1 friction state, so here input 1 and confirm. Test. Now we will see 2 friction state. Okay, then we can add other items one by one. You can see we had added some other hardwares, and then we click test. We click the calculation result. We will see the profile result, sash glazing bead, and glass, and other hardware details. Okay. And the next step, we will see the quotation. We click the quote menu here, and then we add automatic because we have used uniform code, so we click add automatic, and then for the cost we also add automatic cost, and then we click test. Now we will see the quotation result. Handle, hinge, friction, this is the hardware, and then from here we will see the outside frame, sash frame, a molding glazing bead, sash glass, and the subframe tube. And for the cost, we will also see the list. And please note, this intelligent script only valid for this kind of window. Have frame, have the molding, sash, and if we want some other type of windows, we should make the new intelligent script. Okay, this is a simple intelligent script. Now it is ready. We back to the home page, click design, and then we import, click CM9 and click confirm, and click the right side menu and choose the series. It is under Moxis aluminium, and this one we click. Okay, and now we save it. And click to order. Then we will see the order information and the single window information. You will see the quotation information. Here have handle. You can click edit, do some relative change, and you can also see the profile list. And the glass list. As on, this is the material list, and this is the cost list. and click the print, and then you will see, click the confirm list, and you will see the confirm report, and quote list, quote detail report. Click it, you will see the order number, product name, and the quote name, price, and the total price, and the quote report, and the total weight not show because in the series we do not input the kg per square meter weight. This one, manufacturing list. See, profile, it will show frame, mullion, sash bead, hardware. Click next. Also show the price. And you can also export to different car version. If you want to do further change, you can export the XR version and do the further change. And the single product report. You see the barcode, order information, customer. Here we do not set the information. If we set, all the detail will show here. You see the profile, glass, and hardware. Okay, that's all. Thank you.